Alright guys, lunch is starting to come up, so I wanted to know, what did you bring? But I specifically want to know, what kind of snacks did you bring, and what's your favorite snack? Well, that's a tough question to answer, but I think I'm gonna go with some cinnamon graham crackers. I brung them here today, and my lunch today is actually beef stew. Well, those flavors don't really mix. Yeah, I know, but I just washed down the beef stew with a little drink, and then boom, I eat my snacks, and they're so yummy. I like those cinnamon crackers because they just taste so good, and then on top of that, it's super crunchy too. And I like to use my super gecko teeth to crunch through them. My teeth have muscles too. Your teeth have muscles? I've never known that before. Yeah, every time I use my super gecko muscles, my teeth get stronger too. So I could just bite through anything like nom 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 nom. What about you, Catboy? What do you like? I have to say, Oreos are just so yummy. Let's think for a minute. The question is, what is better? Normal Oreos or golden Oreos? I think both are just as good, but with the cream, it kind of makes it a little different. I like normal Oreos more. Plus, wait. If you fry it, oh my gosh, it becomes better. Yeah, put a little cinnamon on top of that, and everything is just perfect. Yeah, see, you understand me, Gecko, yeah. Oh yes, that's why I brung for lunch. Oh, and my actual lunch today? I like just eating a bowl of spaghetti. Well, what about you, Owlette?
It's some Lay's potato chips.
Oh yeah, I can honestly agree with that. Those are the best kinds of chips.
I don't really know, I just do like them. Also, it's just, really chipsy, I don't know. I'm just going to say they're salty and crispy. How about that?
Yes, those chips are very salty and very crispy. They're a little too salty for me, though. Really, man? How are they too salty? Yo, Owlette, one day you want to do the cinnamon challenge with me?
Yeah.
Do you know what the cinnamon challenge is?
Cinnamon.
You just get a spoonful of cinnamon and then you just put it in your mouth. Oh my gosh, that sounds awful. Maybe we should do that for recess next time. Wait, but what are you having for lunch?
I was going to do the rice and eggs and also ice cream.
Ice cream? Whoa, that's a really odd lunch. Rice, eggs, and ice cream.
I was going to do lemon flavored juice or something. How about let's go with strawberry?
Ooh, strawberry lemonade, is that what you're trying to do?
Yeah.
I love strawberry lemonade. Well, I think since we're done talking about all of our favorite snacks, how about we actually go eat it? Yeah, it's a pretty good idea, Catboy. You all want to sit at the same lunch table today?
Sure.
All right, come on, this way. See you next time. Bye.
Like and subscribe.